Hello, everyone. Today, let's delve into regie.ai, an AI-powered platform revolutionizing B2B sales prospecting. Regie.ai offers a comprehensive solution that automates and personalizes outreach across phone, email, and social channels. Its standout feature, the AI dialer, enables up to 9 parallel calls simultaneously, significantly increasing connection rates and efficiency. The platform's pricing is structured to accommodate various team sizes and needs. The Regie One sales engagement platform starts at $35,000 per year, providing traditional sales workflows alongside advanced AI capabilities Site Turn Zero Search Zero. For teams seeking enhanced functionality, the AI Agents Plus AI Dialer package is available at $150 per representative per month. Offering integrated AI agents and parallel dialing features, regie.ai also provides a free trial, allowing users to explore its features before committing. This trial includes access to the AI toolkit and 100 credits, where 1 credit equates to 10 words or 1 prospect lookup. In terms of performance, regie.ai has demonstrated impressive results. Users have reported a 75% reduction in time spent on prospecting tasks and a 3-fold increase in engagement rates. Additionally, the platform aids in reducing technology expenses by consolidating multiple tools into one, potentially saving up to $10,000 annually per sales representative. Since its inception in 2020, regie.ai has secured over $50 million in funding and achieved a 300% year-over-year revenue growth in 2024. Its clientele includes prominent companies such as AT&T, Crunchbase, and Asana. If you're aiming to enhance your sales team's efficiency and outreach effectiveness, regie.ai is a platform worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated on more insightful reviews.